bytes. Let me bring up the lesson. All right, so in normal numbers, you write 147, and you know by practice that the 1 is the number of hundreds, and the 4 is the number of tens, and the 7 is the number of ones. So you can write that as 10 to the 2 for 100, 10 to the 1 for 10, and 10 to the 0 for 7. So that's what you have here, the ones place, the tens place, and the hundreds place. In base 2, you only use 0 and 1, and so you have a ones place and a twos place. So this is 3, 1 plus 2. And if you have a 3-bit number, this is the number of ones, this is the number of twos, and this is the number of fours. And as we talked about last time, you can therefore count to 7 with 3 bits, and you can count to 15 with 4 bits, because you have the 1s, 2s, 4s, and 8s, and that's a nibble. So this nibble is 9. It's 1 8, no 4, no 2, and 1 1, so 8 plus 1 is 9. And in 8 bits, you just extend that, so you have 8 places. This is the number of 1s, 2s, 4s, 8s, 16s, 32s, 64s, and 128. So one way to figure out what this number is it's 128 plus nothing, plus 16, plus 8, plus nothing, plus 1. So you have to add those 4 numbers, and you'll get 153. And there are simpler, faster ways to do it, but this is how you usually start when you're learning binary, is doing it this way because it's easier to understand the concept. So let's see if you can solve any of these. There's 2 flags to get here. The first one is you convert a binary value to decimal. So that 8-bit, now I put a space in the middle, which is non-standard, but makes it easier to read. This is an 8-bit number, and what is it in decimal? Just put it in the chat. What do you think? It's 48. I guess I'll wait 2 minutes to see if I get any answer. If it's like last time, I may get no answer. Well, I suppose really 1 minute is long enough to wait. That's kind of what I expected from what happened last time. I won't go through it anymore because no one seems interested in going through it interactively. So anyway, it's there if you want to do it. You can read it, and I'm happy to answer questions about it, but there's no point trying to do it interactively. Anyway, this is 3. The number right is the number of 1s. The next number is the number of 2s, and there's nothing else, so this is 3. And this one is 1 plus 2 plus 4, not 8 plus 16 plus 32. So this is 48, and that is 7, so this is 55. Anyway, when you get enough of them right, I think 5 in a row, you'll find a flag, and I recommend doing that. It's good to learn your binary. Anyway,